Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's topic is sleep optimization basics, how to get better rest beyond the usual tips. You've probably heard advice like get 8 hours or avoid screens before bed, but sleep science has evolved. Today we'll explore deeper strategies to improve sleep quality, common mistakes people still make, my personal experience refining my sleep routine, and a clear step-by-step plan you can try tonight. Good sleep isn't just about how long you sleep, but how restorative that sleep is. Research from Stanford Sleep Medicine shows that deep sleep and REM balance impact everything from immune function to memory. It's not just quantity, it's about the architecture of sleep stages. Deep sleep repairs the body. REM sleep helps process emotions and memories. Studies from the National Institutes of Health suggest that adults with higher percentages of deep sleep have up to a 30% lower risk of developing chronic illnesses like hypertension and type 2 diabetes. For years, I thought 7 to 8 hours was enough until I tracked my sleep with a wearable and realized most nights, only 40% of it was actually restorative. Listener story. Michelle from Texas said, "When I started focusing on sleep cycles rather than just hours, my energy completely changed." Another listener, Jack from Oregon, shared, "Just improving my deep sleep time helped reduce my joint pain and brain fog." Sleep optimization isn't about chasing perfection, but finding what consistently helps your body recover best. Mistake 1. Using sleep trackers incorrectly. Many people obsess over nightly fluctuations instead of looking at weekly trends. Mistake 2. Over-relying on melatonin supplements. Melatonin can help occasionally, but it's not a cure-all and can disrupt natural cycles if overused. Mistake 3. Ignoring light exposure during the day. Bright daylight exposure in the morning sets your internal clock and improves night sleep quality. Mistake 4. Drinking caffeine too late. Caffeine's half-life means even an afternoon cup can interfere with sleep stages. Mistake 5. Overheating your sleep environment. Studies show the optimal sleep temperature is around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Many people unknowingly sleep in rooms that are too warm. Mistake 6. Ignoring emotional wind down. Going to bed with unresolved stress or tension keeps your brain active, preventing sleep onset. Here's what works for me. I start with morning light exposure. 10 to 15 minutes outdoors right after waking up, even if it's cloudy. My evening wind down routine begins 60 minutes before bed. I read physical books, stretch lightly, and write in a gratitude journal. My bedroom is set to 66 degrees Fahrenheit with blackout curtains and white noise to block external sounds. I strictly limit caffeine after 1 p.m. and avoid heavy meals late at night. I also use sleep tracking apps, but focus on trends, not nightly perfection. It's more about seeing improvements over weeks, rather than stressing over one bad night. I also use lavender essential oil in a diffuser, and occasionally practice yoga nidra meditation, which promotes deep relaxation before sleep. Listener story. Emma from Colorado shared, "Once I created a consistent bedtime routine with reading and lower lighting, I fell asleep faster and woke up less during the night." This toolkit isn't complicated, but requires consistency. Now let's create your personal plan. Step 1. Set a consistent wake-up time first, even on weekends. This anchors your circadian rhythm. Step 2. Create a 30 to 60 minute wind down routine involving no screens. Ideas include stretching, journaling, or listening to calm music. Step 3. Adjust your environment. Aim for total darkness using blackout curtains. Set room temperature between 65 to 68 degrees and use white noise if necessary. Step 4. Track progress weekly using a journal. Write down wake-up time, how you felt each morning, and sleep quality ratings. Over time, adjust your routine based on patterns you notice. Bonus, if possible, reduce alcohol intake as it disrupts REM sleep, even if it helps you fall asleep. Additionally, experiment with supplements like magnesium glycinate or L-theanine if stress is a major sleep blocker. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Alright friends, that's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with someone working on their sleep health. And if you want more real-world health advice, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into fitness routines for long-term joint health. I'll see you then.